I saw the cartoon you made about WBW, you know. White Boy Wasted, it was a good video and you are funny.
Thank you, I knew you would like the cartoon. You thought you were the only one who could make a cartoon about WBW.
Yes, I was wrong, you are really funny, and Brooklyn, you run this shit, you're the boss of funny cartoons.
Thank you, white boy. Now if you could get some rhythm and dance like a regular human being, you might be cool too.
Well, I have to go for now. I will see you in the office tomorrow morning. Maybe we can go down to the Sweet and Treat for coffee.
Yes, that would be great. I hope those bastards don't screw up the strawberry cream cheese again.
I hope they give you the right stuff. We don't need a lawsuit here. They better get the order right.
Okay, it is 10 o'clock and your white ass should be in bed.
Oh damn, time is flying. Good night.
Good night.